While we focus on the signal integrity, analyzing the electrical behavior of power planes is very important. Voltages are reducing and designs are getting complex with huge power requirements. Power planes must be properly distributed to avoid any power issues. For this, performing power integrity analysis is very important. Board power distribution network is called Power Delivery Network, PDN. As a part of power integrity, engineers perform the Power Delivery Network, PDN, analysis. Analyzing the PDN include voltage drop analysis, current density analysis, decoupling analysis. Tools like hyperlinks has capabilities like DC drop analysis, AC decoupling analysis, PDN optimization to perform power integrity.